Hello there Year 4s, it's Mr. Conway here. Now for today's how-to video, we're going to be discussing triangles and the different types of triangles that we can find. So it says here, there are 4 different types of triangles: equilateral, scalene, isosceles and right angled. Have a go at this sheet on the next slide to see if you can see which one is which. So before we start any work, I'm just going to discuss with you these 4 types of triangles. The first one we have is called an equilateral. Now for an equilateral triangle, all of the sides are exactly the same length. Equilateral. All the sides are exactly the same length. And in fact, all of the angles inside are also the same. So an equilateral triangle, everything's the same. It is equal. Well done. Next we have a right angled triangle. Now you get 2 types of right angled triangles really. You can have a scalene or an isosceles. Now remember what we said in our video previously. To find that right angle, we use this symbol. So there is my right angle. I draw a little square. This angle is 90 degrees. That's why it's a right angled triangle, okay? So if you can spot a right angle, you can get your little angle eaters to find out right angle triangle. Next we have an isosceles. Now, you'll see this looks quite tall actually. But an isosceles has 2 sides that are equal. Can you spot on this triangle which 2 sides are equal? That's right, it's these 2 sides down the side here. So these lines going down, they are equal in length. However, the one at the bottom is certainly shorter. So that is an isosceles. 2 are equal and 1 is different. Now our final triangle for today is called a scalene. Now in a scalene, all the sides are different lengths. This length, and this length, they are all different. This is a scalene triangle. So I'm going to go back in reverse order. Equilateral, everything's the same. Right angled triangle, remember we use that little box to show it's 90 degrees. An isosceles, 2 sides are the same, 1 is different. And finally a scalene where everything's a little bit different really. The sides are all different lengths. Now your activity today, as well as doing the worksheet that follows on from this lesson, is also to have a go around the house and find examples of the 3 different types of triangles that you can find. There's a few examples here of a witch's hat and a house. Now I've been looking around this area to see what triangles I could find, and this is what I discovered. The first one was a doorstop. Now if you look at this doorstop, if I cover this up here, so remember you're probably going to find a lot of 3D shapes at home, but if you just look at the face, you'll notice it's 2D. So the face of this doorstop is actually a right angle. If I put my pen right here, there's a right angle just here in the corner. So I've got 1, 2, 3 sides are all different lengths, but it is a right angle. So this must be a right angled scalene. My next triangle that I discovered was this triangular prism. So this is some spellings and some maths on here. And if I look at it again, it's a 3D shape, but the face of the triangle here, what do you think? All the sides are the same. So what type of triangle have we discovered? An equilateral triangle, Mr. Conway, I hear you scream. Yes, so we have a right angle scalene and our equilateral. Next, I have discovered this pyramid. Now again, it's a 3D shape. But if I look at just this face, I've got 2 sides which are the same in length and 1 side that is different. 2 sides are the same in length, 1 is different. Isosceles, scalene, right angle, equilateral. What can you think? What do you think? 2 sides the same. It's an isosceles. So there we are. These are the 3 different triangles I could find. Right then, Year 4s, it's now over to you. Go around the house, find those triangles. Go on a triangle hunt, a shape detective. And if you find any, please take a picture and send them in. I'd love to see them. All right then, triangle detectives, have a good day. Bye-bye.